What's up, you guys? Welcome back to today's lesson. So in the past few lessons, we've been talking about replacement behaviors, why they're important, and by now you should have your replacement behaviors ready. And so now that you have those, I want you to go ahead and put a copy next to everywhere where you might be triggered. Okay, if you work from home and your office is where you would usually watch porn, then put one up there. Okay, if you'd like to have a late night Instagram session, then put one next to your bed just to remind you what to do if you feel triggered. Okay, I want you to think about this like it's a new skill. It's like learning to play the piano or learning how to play golf. Okay, you don't start out with all the answers. And in the beginning, you need to be okay with being really bad and understand that you will get better over time. Okay? Trying to change a behavior that you've been doing for such a long time, it's difficult. Okay? And my experience tells me that you will fail more than once. So just remember to be kind to yourself and love yourself. You can do this. Okay? You can do this. Look at me. You can do this. Breathe with me. You can do this. Repeat after me. I can do this. I can do this. My past does not define my future. You got this. You got this. Take this time. Go deep into the root focus. Do one of your best sessions yet. Go deep. I'll be right here with the next lesson. Much love.